Hey, it's Matt from 3MinuteTheoryMusic.com here to give you a short little tutorial as to the best ways to easily access 3-Minute Theory in your classroom and with your students. Now, first, if you are brand new to 3-Minute Theory, you should have already received an email. Once you purchase a subscription to 3-Minute Theory, you should receive an email that has your login information. Now, your login information is going to lead you to this page. It should look like this. This is 3MinuteTheoryMusic.com/login, and you're going to enter the email address that this login credential was sent to, and also you're going to add this password that was sent in that email. Now, once you log in, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay. Now, in this page, this is like your main, the main database, right? If you would like to change your password, we're going to go to View Product. And then we're going to click on this little avatar button up here and go into settings. And from this settings screen, you can instantly change your password. Okay, see, you're going to type in that current password that was emailed to you, and you can type in a new password if you would like to change it. But again, the main way, the easiest way to access is 3MinuteTheoryMusic.com/login. Now, once you have logged into 3MinuteTheoryMusic.com, we have just added this brand new update, which is an interactive menu. Now, one of the things that we've been really working towards is what is the easiest way for teachers to access 3-Minute Theory and share it with their students. And we are so excited with this latest update with this interactive menu. So I'm going to walk you through this menu. And as you walk through this menu, you're going to see how easy it is to share with your students and to instantly project in your classroom. This means that this eliminates any need for student accounts. So that means you, just from your one account, can share all of this content instantly with your students. So I'm going to share my screen here. And this is the menu that you're going to see here. I've just made it full screen here. And you're going to hit play because it's an interactive menu. And as you can see, we have all of our volumes of 3-Minute Theory. So we have our 5 different volumes as well as our music education games. So let's select this second volume here, this rhythm. And as you see, once you click this, it's going to bring up all of the different chapters within this particular volume. Now, you have a couple options here. One, this is what I'm planning on doing with my own students, is just to leave this up here. Let's say it's projected in the front of the class. Students can instantly see all of these links, and they could just type it into their computer. That's an easy way to do it. Or what you can do is you can take these links and you can type them into your LMS platform. That means your Google Classroom, your Canvas, Schoology, whatever you happen to be using. You can take this link and just type it directly into that and create an assignment so your students can access it through those links. So again, 2 options. You could project it and students can just type it in. Maybe they're on a Chromebook or whatever device they happen to be on, or you can take that same link and enter it into whatever your LMS system is. So this is the best way to access it. And we're so excited about this because these links basically avoid any need for logins. So we're really excited about this. Now, also keep in mind though, if you do come back to these links will change from time to time. So make sure you're always going back to this menu. Speaking of going back to this menu, if at any point you want to, you can go back to the main menu here, and it's going to bring you back to all of these different volumes. Now, one other thing, and we're super excited about this, is our music education games. So as I clicked on that, again, it's going to bring these other different links. Now, also, I should mention all of these little buttons here are clickable. So if you're projecting this in front of the classroom, you can instantly click on one of these and it's going to open up this page right in your browser. So if you're projecting this menu in front of your class, all of these are clickable instant links that you can open up to project in front of your class. And as you can see, we are in volume 1 of our music education games, and you can see that they are organized by chapter. So each chapter has 3 different music education games that line up with the content from the chapter. And what's really great about this is, so it's all on one page. So you could, again, take this particular link or whatever the link may be. You could project this in front of the class, or you can, again, add it into your LMS system, and then students can instantly access all of this. So let's click on one of these games. This is the first game here. Also, just as a little tip for using these games, if you would like to pause the game at any moment, you see that there's two buttons here. So what we can do is click this, and that is going to pause the game just by clicking down there. Okay, and then we can click resume, or we can start the game again. And also on the bottom right here, you have this button that makes it full screen. Okay, which extends to the full screen there. And this is a fantastic way for students to access all of this exciting content. And as you can see, it's organized by chapter, makes it easily shareable. And again, you are accessing this all through the interactive menu that you see here. And if I wanted to, I can go back to that main menu where I have all of these links. Now, we are super excited about this latest update with this interactive menu because it makes it so easy, whether you're projecting in front of your class or sharing these links in your learning system. The only thing that we ask, because this is a teacher license and this is protected material, we ask that you only share this with your students either inside your classroom or within your private LMS system, whether that's Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas. There's so many systems out there. But I'm excited to use this system even with my own students because it just makes the sharing instant. I know a lot of teachers are using this content for bell ringers as students come in the room. So a menu like this is really great because you could just project and you could even, my thought is, because I have a whiteboard in the front of my class where the projector is projecting on, I could just circle a chapter and say, that's today's bell ringer, guys. Go for it. It's just a great way to access this content, and we're really excited. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, team@3minutetheorymusic.com. We're pretty responsive to any emails, but we're excited about this brand new update, and we're excited about continuing to update 3minutetheorymusic.com to make it as easy and accessible for teachers and students as possible. So we appreciate you being a part of 3-Minute Theory, and we hope that this brand new update is really going to continue to propel 3-Minute Theory music forward and to propel music education forward. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Godspeed.